I am so lucky to have my new mommy and daddy. They give me all kinds of hugs and kisses. They even let me sleep with them on that big pillow. I'll never tell them that cats rule the world. For some reason they think they do. Strange creature these humans are. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray for toys that look like mice that I can keep. I pray that tomorrow I won't get in trouble deep. I pray for gourmet kitty snacks. But most of all I pray that you watch over all the animals that are lost like my friend Dexter. Please find loving homes for all my friends at the animal shelter. Bless the human friends there. Bless my mommy, brothers and sisters. Bless my new mommy and daddy. And that they never lose the can opener. And finally I pray that the spider will be gone.